If you are wondering if you need to buy a charger or power adapter for your Google Pixel 10a, then the answer depends on two things. So if you are wondering if the power adapter is included inside the box, then in this case the answer is no. There is no power adapter included inside the box. So if you don't have a power adapter, for example from your previous device, then yes, you will have to purchase a power adapter for your phone. Or if you have a power adapter that does not allow you to use USB-C cable, which by the way is of course inside the box. And in case you have a power adapter from your previous device, then most likely you can use it with your Google Pixel 10a. You should be able to use it in order to charge your phone. However, something that you need to keep in mind in case you are wondering if you need to upgrade it, for example, to a stronger one or something, Google Pixel 10a can use up to 30 watts while charging with PD 3.0. So if your power adapter does not have 30 watts, if it has less than that, or it doesn't use PD 3.0, then in that case you can consider replacing your power adapter to a newer one. Then you can try to get ideally the genuine Google power adapter, although it is not really necessary to get specifically a Google power adapter. And yeah, in that case of course you will have to buy the power adapter. But if you don't want to really upgrade your power adapter, if you still have the power adapter from your previous device, then most likely you can use it to charge your Google Pixel 10a, as long as it is USB-C or USB in general power adapter. Leave a like and subscribe.